Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing a box. That's probably going to be a box inside a box, but we'll find out in a second. Come on, open. Hey, there we go. Oh, hey, hang on. Let's not give it up yet. Give up, box. Okay, let's open up this. What is in here? Ooh, wow. Alright, so these are the things that we got. We got sealed air product care. These are the limited edition ones. Now, we got more of these. Okay, well, we really need more of them. Oh, we got, we got HelloFresh, and it has a code. So, if you want to use the code, you better be quick, because this is gonna be going quick. So if you want HelloFresh, better type that in real quick. Better have HelloFresh already opened and ready to go. There's the code. You're welcome. I don't know why this is here. I'm not gonna have HelloFresh, so yeah. And if I am gonna have HelloFresh, then I'm gonna blur it out so that way I can use it. Video is not sponsored by HelloFresh, but it is subscribed. No, but it is sponsored by the subscribe button. So if you want to go subscribe, that'd be fantastic. Now for the, well, not really main event. This is like sort of like a side product of what I got with my whatever the other bubble things were. Sealed air product care. And this is a EOS M50 Mark II. Sounds very advanced. I don't know why they would give you this for free with the bubble wrap, but alright. Alright, well, whatever this is. Image Canon. Anyway, moving on with whatever that was. Just some paperwork and stuff. Getting started. You know, you don't need that. Set that over there. You don't need it. Okay, register your Canon imaging product now. Alright, we got a little strap thing. Let's just take this out of the bag, because I don't usually unbag things here, but this is an unboxing video, so why would you unbag things? I don't know. There we go. It's kind of weird setup, by the way, because it's like all this stuff is here, because there's not much room on my desk. Let me see if I can move stuff over a little bit more. That's a little bit better. So let's just take this out. And wow, that's pretty cool. So you can hold it around your neck and stuff like that. Moving on to this, which I think is the yeah, it looks like the camera. I mean, it should be the camera. There's the camera. Hang on. And there it is, the Canon. And it has a little flip out display there. So it has a little display that flips out so I can see what I'm doing, which is gonna be super duper useful. Yeah, and I can flip that back if I wanted to. So there's the camera body. It has HDMI or micro HDMI. I think it's micro USB, which is that's alright. I have a couple extra cables laying around that I can use, so that's fine. Microphone, and this is the wall plug adapter thing. What is this for? The battery. Take it out, and that is the battery charger. Okay, cool. Awesome, that's gonna be very useful. Set that, I guess, back over here. And let's see what else is in here. This is lens. Okay, well, there it is. That is pretty cool. And this is the front of it. Okay, so toss all that over there. Okay, and this is the battery. Yes, it is battery right there. It looks kind of small, but hopefully it'll last me a little bit. I mean, it's just a camera. It doesn't need to do anything else. It's not like it's editing videos for me or anything like that. Nothing else. Okay, that's fine. Thank you for watching this video. And this is a test with the camera and the camera's microphone as well. So I'm not going to use any other microphone. It's just going to be from the camera itself, so you can see or hear how great it sounds, and maybe it sounds decent. I don't know. I mean, it sounds alright, but then I can like zoom in and stuff, and that's what I'm doing right now. I could just be like, wow. So anyways, this is the camera quality. This is what it looks like, and the last few videos have been recorded, at least on the other channel, from this camera, so you can see how great it is. And it's pretty great. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, and now back to old me. Well, that's it for this unboxing video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below. It's right down there. It's only one click. And guess what? Turn on notifications as well so you can know when I upload my next video. And also subscribe to Hadenator 9999 if you're interested in gaming videos. So make sure you subscribe. I already said that. Bye.